So we are dealing with cylinders. Today's topic is right circular cylinder. I define what is right circular cylinder and how to find equation of the right circular cylinder. How to define a cylinder? Cylinder is surface generated by a line which is always parallel to a fixed line, and one more thing is it intersects given curve or it may touch the surface. That given curve is called guiding curve. If the guiding curve is a circle, then that cylinder is called right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is a cylinder which has two parallel bases and both are circular. Both are circles. We can define right circular cylinder like this. Right circular cylinder is a cylinder. That means it is the surface generated by a line which is parallel to a fixed line and intersecting a given curve, that is called guiding curve. Guiding curve is a circle here. Guiding curve is a circle. The right circular cylinder can also be defined like this. Right circular cylinder is a cylinder having two parallel bases and both are circles. Both are circles. This is a right circular cylinder. Here, a normal to the circular base, normal to the circular base which passes to the center of the circle is called axis of the right circular cylinder. What is the axis? It is normal perpendicular to the base and passing through the center of the circular base. That is called axis of the right circular cylinder, and this is called radius. Radius of the base, radius of the base of the right circular cylinder, and this is called height, or it is axis. What is the axis? It is normal to the base and which pass through the center of the circular base. Base is circular in case of right circular cylinder. This is called axis and this is called radius. Now how to find equation of this right circular cylinder? I start with directly examples here because you will get examples on this. Find the equation of, you take this, find the equation of the right circular cylinder of radius 2 and whose axis pass through the point 1, 2, 3 and has direction cosines proportional to 2, minus 3, 6. You have taken this? I repeat again, problem is find the equation of the right circular cylinder of radius 2 whose axis passes to the point 1, 2, 3 and whose direction cosines proportional to 2, minus 3, 6. I take the right circular cylinder like this. This is the right circular cylinder. It is given its axis direction ratios are 2, minus 3, 6. Therefore, what are the actual direction cosines? 2 by square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36 minus 3, 6. What is this? 36, 7 it is. Therefore, 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. 6 by 7 are actual direction cosines of the axis of the cylinder. Axis. And I take any arbitrary point, say x, y, z here on the cylinder. Cylinder is like this, it is the surface, it is like this, 3-dimensional it is. Now suppose A is a point on the axis. Point on the axis means it is point on the cylinder, but we particularly take on the axis here. Join AP, draw PM perpendicular. Then it is, what is this? Right angle triangle. And what is the point A? Suppose A is 1, 2, 3. It is given, it passes through 1, 2, 3. Suppose A is 1, 2, 3. P is arbitrary point. Draw PM perpendicular. What are the actual direction cosines of the axis here? 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, 6 by 7. Now to find the equation of this, we use the condition here. What is the condition? AP square is AM square plus PM square. PM is 2 here, radius. PM is 2. And if you find out AM and AP and use AP square is AM square plus PM square, you will get the equation of the right circular cylinder. How to find AP? Distance formula, AP, distance between the 2 points. How to find out AM? This also you know how to find out AM. In a right circular cone, we have used this. What is AM? It is the projection of AP on the line whose direction cosines are this. What is the formula? L into, this is L, into x2 minus x1, M into y2 minus y1, N into z2 minus z1. That is the formula for projection of line joining AP on the line whose direction cosines are this. This is the procedure. Now I start with this. Let P x y z be any point on the cylinder, surface of the cylinder, and A is 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3. It lies on the axis of the cylinder, axis. The direction cosines of axis are, direction ratios are given as 2, minus 3, 6. Therefore, actual direction cosines are 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, 6 by 7 are the direction cosines. Now, suppose PM is perpendicular to the axis. You have to draw this axis. Then AP square is AM square plus PM square. Take this as 1. This is the given condition now. What is that? AP square is AM square plus PM square. And we find out AM. AM is projection of AP on the axis whose direction cosines are 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, 6 by 7. What is the formula therefore? L into 2 by 7 into x minus 1 minus M into, plus M is minus 3 by 7 into y minus 2 plus 6 by 7 into z minus 3. So it is 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus, is it minus 2 minus 20, minus 20 means minus 14 upon 7. This is AM. Am I correct here? Which formula is used? Projection of one line on the another whose direction cosines are this, or projection of line joining AP on the another line whose direction cosines are this. What is the formula? L into x2 minus x1, M into y2 minus y1, N into, this is N, z2 minus z1. This is AM. What is PM? PM is base radius 2 it is, and AP is square root of x minus 1 whole square, y minus 2 whole square, z minus 3 whole square. Now substitute this in 1. Substitute this in 1. Substituting in 1, we get AP square x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is AM square 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 14 upon 7 whole square, AM square plus 4. This is the equation, and simplifying like this we get 7 square 49 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 14 whole square plus 49 into 4, 149 into 4, 146. Am I correct? 49 into 4, 196. This is the equation. You need not simplify this. You can take this as the equation. I think procedure all of you followed. It is quite simple. Examples are important from examination point of view. Examples are important. You may get this type of question. Find the equation of the cylinder, right circular cylinder. Can I solve one more problem of this type? Find the equation of right circular cylinder. Take this. Find the equation of a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder whose axis is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 1 and radius 2 Can you find any difference between the previous problem and this one? In the previous problem, point on the axis, point through which the axis passes was given. But here directly equation of the axis is given. And by seeing this equation you can easily understand this axis passes through 103 because 103 is a point on this line. Then it is exactly same as the previous problem. And one more thing is direction cosines are not given. Direction ratios are given here again. What are the direction ratios? 2, 3, 1. In the previous problem, direction ratios are given. Passing through axis, passing through the point was given, and radius was given. In this case, axis, its equation is given here. Equation is given means it passes through 103. Follow no? 103. Therefore, the problem is like this. This is the right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. This is the axis of the right circular cylinder. Now I take A is the point on the axis. What is that? 103. And take P is any arbitrary point. Those coordinates are x, y, z. Join AP. Draw the perpendicular. This. Then it is 2. Now what are the direction cosines? 2, 3, 1. Therefore actual direction cosines are 2 by square root of 2 square, 3 square, 1 square. So 14. 3 by square root of 2 square, therefore 2, 3 by root 14 and 1 by root 14. These are actual direction cosines of the axis passing through 103. Radius is 2. Again we use this one. P, x, y, z be any arbitrary point. Draw PM perpendicular. A is 103. It lies on the axis. Direction cosines are this of the axis. AP square is AM square plus PM square. Take this as 1. And AP by distance formula. What is AP? Square root of x minus 1 square plus y square plus z minus 3 square. This is AP. And how do you find out PM? To find PM, AM, PM is given 2, it is. AM is projection of AP, that is joining 103 and XYZ on the line, on the axis, whose direction cosines are, actual direction cosines are 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14 and 1 by root 14 are the actual direction cosines. Therefore, what is the formula? 2 by root 14 into x minus 1, 3 by root 14 into y minus 0, 1 by root 14 into z minus 3. This is AM. You follow now how the formula is used there. L into x2 minus x1, m into y2 minus n1, n into z2 minus z1. What are LMN? LMN are the direction cosines of the line on which projections are obtained. Projection is obtained. It is therefore 2x plus 3y plus z minus 4 divided by root 14. And what is PM? PM is 2, base radius is 2. And what is AP? It is square root of x minus 1 whole square, y square, z minus 3 whole square. Correct? Z minus 3 whole square. Is it minus 5? It is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. And 2x, it is by distance formula. Distance formula. Now therefore from 1, substituting in 1 we get x minus 1 whole square, y square, z minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y plus z minus 5 upon root 14 whole square plus 2 square, 4. Or 14 into x minus 1 square plus y square plus z minus 3 square is equal to 2x plus 3y minus z minus 5 whole square plus 56. Plus 56. If you simplify this, that is not required here, because you know how to find the equation, that is sufficient. If you simplify, you have to square this. A plus b plus c plus d whole square, you have to apply the formula, and you will get this as a second degree equation in xyz. And you take one more example as exercise. Take this. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder of radius 3 and having for its axis the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5u minus z by 7. See here, equation is given as 5u minus z by 7. I repeat this. Find the equation of the right circular cylinder of radius 3 and having for its axis the line x minus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 minus z by 7. You can take this as x minus 1 by 2 is y minus 3 by 2 is minus or z minus 5 by minus 7. This is the equation. This is the axis. Problem is exactly similar. You try this, but answer is given like this here. 5x square, 5y square plus 8z square minus 8xy plus 4yz plus 4zx minus 6x minus 42y minus 96z plus 225 is equal to 0. Say in previous two problems I left at this stage as the answer, but it is further simplified here. You will get this one. If you further simplify that, this is the answer. You verify the answer procedure, you know, and it is quite simple, not complicated, this problem. So this completes the right circular cylinder. In right circular cylinder, only how to find equation of the right circular cylinder is there. You go through the topic. If you have any difficulties, you can free to ask at any time. So now up this solid geometry of sphere, cone and cylinder. Geometry of 3 dimensions. Cones, spheres, cones and cylinders. It is completed, and I give the notes later. And from next video I start some more topic, that is in your syllabus. Next topic is what is that? Polar equation of the conic. Polar equation of the conic is one topic. Then application of definite integrals I left there. Only reduction formula, I have started with reduction formula and explained how to derive reduction formula, and I left the topic there only, and I have to continue. For that I require curve tracing. First to see, next thing is I start polar equation of the conic equation of the conic. Next video I start this, a small topic it is. After that I explain curve tracing, how to trace the curve, how to draw the curve. After that application of reduction formula to find area, volumes and surface of revolution. So I continue the next thing, that is polar equation of the conic, in the next video. Thank you.